Good morning, everybody. It is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate ASL version. Today we're going to start in the second half of the alphabet, and we're going to get 3 words. Okay? Our letter today is the letter N. And if you saw my video early Saturday morning, you know that I'm dealing with an elbow issue. This video is actually recorded Saturday morning right after that. So, still the same elbow issue. Please bear with me. So we have N. 2 fingers over the thumb. N. 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 Okay? Now our first word is need. N-E-E-D. Need. Crook that finger and just point it down. Need. I need you. Okay? Or a specific person. And I'm sorry that was your or you all. But I need you. Need. Okay? If you want to spell it, because we know these letters, N-E-E-D. You don't go E-E. That used to be a mistake of mine a long time ago. You just kind of slide it from side to side so that they know you're duplicating the letter. Okay? So that's N-E-E-D. Need. Okay? The next one is needle. Needle. N-E-E-D-L-E. Needle. 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 Like you're threading or pulling thread through a needle. Needle. Okay? N-E-E-D-L-E. Needle. N-E-E-D-L-E. Needle. Needle. Okay. And the next word, nice. N-I-C-E. Nice. Just rub your hand. Nice. N-I-C-E. Nice. N-I-C-E. Nice. Nice. See, they weren't hard. And you were able to spell each one of these because you already knew the letters that were in them. And that's what we're going to start doing a little more of as we approach words that have previous letters in them. And that way we can get a little more in there. Because I know you guys are becoming experts. I have every bit of faith and confidence in you. Okay? We're going to do this, guys. I know we are. And as always, please, thank you to all of my subscribers, old and new. And please share my videos so that others will be encouraged to go along this journey with us. Don't remember, when you come in and subscribe, when you see that bell, please make sure you hit the one with the dimples so that you always know when I'm dropping fresh content. And as I always ask of you, please leave comments. Tell me whether or not you like this video. Okay? Am I going too fast? Am I going too slow? I have an answer for you. But I'm not going to do that right now. So, like I said, these learning videos are kind of short, but impactful. So once again, spelling all the words. N-E-E-D. Need. N-E-E-D-L-E. Needle. And N-I-C-E. Nice. Ensign. Need. Needle. Nice. You guys are great. You guys are great. I see y'all doing it, and it's nice. I didn't forget. Okay, guys, until next time, don't forget to love yourselves. Why? That's right, because self-love is the greatest love of all. And you can't love others the way they deserve to be loved unless you first love yourself the way you deserve to be loved. And you deserve the best. I hope, if not all, but most of you guys are going along with the luck of the draw. I've not been able to do any crocheting since kind of early Friday because of this. So as soon as I get this straightened out, I will be back with the hook. But I did get 5 of my 9 projects caught up with the 3rd color. I just have the other 4 to go, and that's the turtleneck cowl, the cross-eyed blanket, pebbles and picots, and the hat that goes with the turtleneck cowl. And don't forget, I also told you that I wanted to start another blanket. I am working on those tutorials. As soon as this gets straightened out, look for them to drop. I love you guys. I will see you soon on these YouTube streets. Until then, peace.